them coming after it?
There was a little perch chasing after it, and then the perch took off, and he got scared.
Well, he said, oh, he got run off or something. I got bit off by a little gar over there. Look, I tried to hook him. He got the little claws off of it.
I killed it.
You killed it?
Yeah. Look what it sprays out when it gets killed.
I'm going. Yeah, that's a nice little hog.
He wasn't giving me no
Heck
fucking
yeah.
Dang, what was that?
Yeah, that got him a nice bass.
It's a good one right there.
All right, second bass for Lou. Same setup, Texas rig, Tuxton weight with the Yum Craw. A little smaller, but still a nice, healthy bass. Yeah.
I was throwing straight, but it went right by the log. Right.
You got it? Hopefully you get one in there.
Yeah.
Lars go most by the log.
Look at one, baby.
Yeah, look at most.
All right, well, I didn't start recording because I didn't think I was gonna get him. I was trying to get this bait out of the water, and the bass flipped it out of the water like it was top water. So I was just telling my buddy what it did. I left it floating in the water, and I seen the bass still swimming around it. No sooner that I just gave a little movement to it, he came back and smashed it like it was top water.
Oh, Caesar.
That sucker's small, dude, but the way he hit it had my blood pumping. All right, well, let me get some pliers and get him off. I was just slow rolling off them logs, letting it bounce off the logs and come off. Another bass.
Dang.
Ready, Nico?
He sideswiped that sucker. Look at that.
Got him.
That's bowfin or bass?
No, bass, he just sideswiped
Looks
it.
like perch.
The broken fins and everything. See?
Damn,
Broken.
broken fin. Gar or something.
There it goes.
Ooh. Gar?
No, another bass.
Bowfin?
No, another bass, baby. You got a mouthful. Ooh, got him right in the eye. Sorry, buddy.
Oh, I said we're not gonna harm any fish today.
Yeah, I know. I didn't mean to.
I'll get it. Oh, right with my line. Oh, probably, he's just probably gonna come to my rod.
Right back to that one. Uh-huh.
He's bit me.
Something shiny.
Gotcha.
You're doing good. Something shiny.
Yeah, in this darker water.
Look.
I have an identical one to this
What
one.
it did to my hand. Almost
Oh,
ripped
yeah.
it.
I got a fucking, what's it called?
Dad, look what it did to my hand. Dad, he almost ripped it. That's how sharp its teeth are.
Be careful.
I got an identical to this one, the one I was using over there, but yellow and clear. This is white and blue.
Shit, I thought I was definitely just.
There it goes.
Oh,
Another one?
Yep.
Alligator?
He coming right to us too.
Oh.
Ooh. Hold on, baby.
Watch Nico.
Hold on, baby. Where you going? Get out of here.
Oh, dude, I lost it.
This little slab.
I think you lost that one, Dad. Yeah, I think it did.
Good fish, dude.
Big fatty.
Fatty.
Look where he was caught too.
Where did he get caught? In the eye?
Nuh-uh, look at the top of the mouth. I would have horsed him around a little bit more, would have ripped right off him. Look.
Damn.
I said, farming fish too. 12 pounder at least?
No, it's probably a solid 4, 3.5, 4 maybe. Nah, it's alright. I was trying to unhook this thing.
I'm 47 pounds, I think.
Here you go, Daddy. Get him back in there. You feel the teeth on that one? It's harder?
Yeah.
Because he's a lot bigger. goes. Remember, you said no hurting them.
Oh, yeah.
I got one identical to this one if you want to put the one I was using over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this motherfucker. I want to try this Yo-Zuri one out.
Oh.
I ain't got the tray.
The bait probably came out.
I got these on sale at fucking Academy.
At
dang.
Academy?
Yeah. I think they had them in the wrong section or something. I don't ever see no Yo-Zuri ones on sale, you know?
I'll be making them honor that price too. Identical to this one, the one I was using over there, but yellow and clear. This is white and blue.
I thought I was definitely just...
There it goes.
Ooh.
Another one?
Yep.
Alligator?
He coming right to us too.
Oh.
Ooh. Hold on, baby.
Watch Nikko.
Hold on, baby. Where you going? Get out of here.
Oh, dude, I lost it.
This little slab.
I think you lost that one, Dad. Yeah, I think
Good fish, dude.
Big fatty.
Fatty.
Look where he was caught too.
Where did he get caught? In the eye?
Nuh-uh, look at the top of the mouth. I would have horsed him around a little bit more with
Oh,
her.
yeah.
It's called a super shad.
Like when you throw it, like fire goes down.
Yeah,
When you throw
it dives down.
Yeah, but when you throw like close, it stays on top.
Got him?
Probably stuck. Oh, bowfin.
Little baby bass.
Yeah, baby bass.
It is. He hit that sucker. Here you go, Daddy. I'll throw for you?
It's like messed up.
Nah. Here.
This how you do it, like you hold it like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so the line keeps going straight in.
And then when you're like you release it, the line.
Coming towards us. You don't know where he's going.
Ooh, feels real decent. See it?
Oh, yeah, I seen it.
Fucking bowfin, I think.
Is it? Yeah, sure is.
No, it's bass.
Nah, it's a big old bowfin, baby.
Where do we put that bowfin?
That sucker didn't even know he was hooked till he got a little closer. Got these pliers right here.
Where are we gonna put that thing?
You want to take him for your buddy?
Nah, probably not.
Yeah, take him here, buddy.
I will, but I don't have a fucking stringer or nothing to take him on and shit.
Rod up. Keep your rod up. Keep your rod up.
There you go.
There you go, Daddy. Bring him in.
Good shot, man.
Good job,
shot.
Daddy. Woo. Yeah,
Bass.
I'll hold your pole. Get your fish. Look, this is the tricky part. All right.
Oh yeah, you have to like take the hook from there.
Yeah.
it's
Look, I'll hold the
yeah,
hook.
it's hard.
I'll hold the hook and you get the bass. You stick your thumb in there. Stick your thumb in his mouth. Grab him hard. All right, now pick him up. All right, stand up with him. Now hold him so I can get this. The little teeth.
Yeah, them
There you
things
go.
hurt. I'm gonna hold them like this.
Yeah, or you can you grab him like that? You can grab him like that too. Just don't put your fingers up here. Yeah. There you go, Daddy.
Let me see, baby. Woo!
There you go.
Bowfin?
Nah, bass.
Dang, that's little.
Bowfin are long and skinny.
I didn't see it at first though. Dang.
Little
That's
bitty bass.
tiny.
Put that one in your aquarium.
Yeah, I'll get it. Doesn't even have teeth. I'll
Yeah,
hold
but
it
you
like
can hardly feel them.
Dad,
A little baby.
Have you seen where them guys? Have you seen where them guys?
Yeah, it's a good one.
Dang! I thought its toe was bit off or something. It looked like it. Another little bass?
This one's a little bit bigger.
Yeah, that's a little bit bigger. I'll release that one.
Alright, let me get it off.
Dang! That looks like catfish.
He got a mouth full of hooks. I gotta get the pliers.
Have it? I'm gonna do it on Caesar's video. Get your video ready, Caesar!
That crank's half the size of that fish, dude, and he's still swallowing it.
Yo-Zuri.
Ooh, come on.
Yeah, that's perfect fish tank size. Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Can you carry it, Daddy?
yeah!
Can you carry it?
Here.
So cute! Swim to the bowfin.
No.
Poor baby. Look what happened. Something, probably bowfin bit him.
Yeah.
Look, that.
Got
That
struggle.
guy is in the bottom?
Oh, no, that's me right now.
Oh.
Hook went inside.
Oh. They go show you how good they feed in here. How short and fat he is.
Nice little fat man.
Big old belly. Look at that big old belly on him, Nikko.
Yeah, it's a girl.
She's probably ready to shoot out some eggs. Go ahead, bro.
It's a baby girl. Baby girl can shoot out eggs.
Yeah, I don't shoot eggs right there. Go ahead first, into the water, deeper part. Don't kill him. Try to throw him head first.
You got me hung on the branch. Yep.
I made you a line to hook the fish on.
To hook them? Good job, Dad.
Still not done yet.
Oh, you see that little scar on him, Nikko?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a fight. There it is.
It has a scar on him.
Yeah, he got a little war wound.
Put him on the stick.
Now we're gonna throw him back.
Put the bowfin on the stick though.
Yeah, that bowfin, we'll put him on the stick. We'll put him out and let all the other bowfins see. Alright, so it exposed the hook. You gotta hide it back. Uh-huh.
You got, oh.
It's a good thing about that braid to that 20-pound mono. Pulled him right out of there.
That's a good bass.
Yes, sir.
With a bass fish is
What if it needs to know the bass on here?
30-pound mono or braid? Gotta be able to yank them out. Boy, Nikko finna toss them in. Good job, Nikko. There it is. I tried to get them out of the water as quick as I could so it don't scare the other ones off. Yeah.
They're
Nice.
hungry.
Oh yeah.
They're just sitting there. They're all still right there. Nikko?
It's right there.
They're just there, dog. I seen the one. Oh, there it goes. He hit mine. They left it alone.
There you go. Nice one. Nice one there. No, that's a solid bass right there. Damn. This one has a way in there. Nikko! Let me see it back before I cut the camera off. Yeah. It is double ups, baby. Good shit.
Woo.
Come on, baby.
Dang.
That is right on the other side of them.
Why didn't she think?
Go ahead. Another little bass. The Yum Crawdad Texas rig's doing it today. What's the color on these? Oh, I got the bag in my pocket. I'll show the bag right now. I know there's like a crawfish color, huh? Yeah, the crawl poppy from Yum. Mm-hmm.
Oh shit, I didn't know I could throw it.
All right, so just as the GoPro died out, luckily I had another battery. I hooked up to this monster.
Yeah, he's big. Subscribe.
Golly. Golly, that's a big old monster, dog.
Yeah.
Jeez. Hey.
Look at his gills. You can tell it's a girl.
I don't know,
Yeah.
6, 7?
Yeah, easily. She's 7.
6 or 7.
Golly.
I'd say 7 at least.
6 or 7.
All right, baby.
7 pounds.
I'll let you back in.
Man, she's big. Look how big she is.
Golly, man.
Here, so let me get you one picture.
Subscribe if you like it. If you think it's 6 pounds, or subscribe if you think it's 7 pounds.
All right, baby. Thank you.
Woo! You're not swimming.
Whew.
Dang, I ripped.
I thought I was hung till I seen my line start moving in the water. God. All right, so this is what's been doing it for me, Lupe, and Nikko today. The crawl poppy from Yum. The tungsten Texas rig.
Where did you get this from?
Been tearing up. Got them from your daddy. I think you got them from Academy. How shallow the water right there, Nikko?
Huh?
How shallow is it?
Hi guys, I told you our next video was gonna be today again, so we made our video different now. Remember when we caught our other fish? To subscribe for 6 or 7 pounds. Caesar, how much do you think this weighed?
How much what?
How much do you think the fish weighed?
I would love to think he was at least 7 pounds.
Okay, whoever picks 7 pounds,
Oh, there he goes.
you win.
He's on.
And as you can see, this is a shallow water. We got another fish.
Yeah, they ain't not that big though.
I was saying the shallow water right here. It's really shallow, so
Okay, bust it off,
you
dog.
can step
Did
up
it?
easily, but I wouldn't step in it.
Here.
Because
Let me hurry up and get them all because I got them.
Ooh,
Another little
on the
small
camera.
bass.
What is that, bowfin?
Nah, another small bass.
That's bowfin.
It's a bass. Yeah, small one.
Turn the camera on.
It is.
Ow. Look, as you see, guys, look. The cookies are caught again.
Another small one. Yeah, another small one.
Oh, look at that one.
Look at the striping on this one.
Don't release it.
It's like spotted.
Oh, turn on your cam. Turn on your cam.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, look.
Oh. Got him?
Hey, boy.
Tell him calm down. We're gonna get you back in the water, feller. Got another one. Oh, this a nice chunk. Oh, baby. That's a nice one. Golly. There you go. Your dad working them, boy.
Oh, we took my bait.
You swallowed it?
We pumped it off. Yeah, it's gone. I don't know where it's at.
What is that, boat?
Man, he must not know that we're down to the last one.
Well, I had the green one on.
Oh,
Bass?
Yeah, it's a bass.
That's skinny.
long ass bass.
Right?
Yeah, that's a boy. It's a little boy.
He ain't eating like that.
Heck yeah.
I'm gonna name him Skinny.
Good little bass. Oh shit.
Throw him in the trees.
There it is.
Wildberry.
That's a nice one.
Oh, crappie!
Golly, dude!
Ooh!
Wow!
Dude!
Yay.
Look at that, dude!
Ooh!
Golly! Damn!
Well, I was gonna say, it better not be a big crappie.
Dang, that's some good bass.
Yeah. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Calm down. Here's another nice bass.
Bite like a little crappie,
Golly. There it goes.
Dang, you got something.
Yeah. Alright, there it is. Small one. There's a challenge getting them out of them weed mats.
Of ugly bass.
What you tie on? The Yo-Zuri one? You gotta keep them way up there, huh? Fling them up. Get them out of them weeds. There you go, Nikko.
Good job.
Get them up, get them up, get them up, get them up.
Go forward, walk up to him. Walk up to him.
All right, Dad.
Yeah.
Got him.
Who's the winner?
Got him. Let me see. 5. Give me 5. All right.
How many did you catch today?
Oh, not as many as you. You tore it up.
I only caught 3.
Oh, here you go.
How many did you catch?
Ah, a couple of more maybe. That's it.
Like 4 or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go, Dad.
Man, that's a good fish.
Good job.
That's the size I wanted right here.
Yeah. You go. Get him back in the water.
Throw him in that hole.
Good job, Dad. Right here.
Another one.
Golly, man. Too bad we gotta go.
20.
20.
I didn't know that was in the water. Oh my god.
That's a nice bass for this little bitty pond.
This is a big pond.
Look how dark his color is compared to the other ones where it's open water, not shaded off.
Little asshole.
He got you.
I just put it on there too, bro.
Is that in his throat?
Nice little bass.
There it is. Nice bass.